Earth, known as the blue marble, is the third planet from the Sun. It's the only astronomical object confirmed to support life. Covering 70.8% of its surface, liquid water is essential for all known life. Earth's crust is divided into tectonic plates. Their movement creates mountains, volcanoes, and earthquakes. The planet's dynamic atmosphere protects surface conditions and sustains life. Composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, this atmosphere regulates temperatures through greenhouse gases. Did you know Earth is an ellipsoid? Its average diameter is about 12,742 kilometers. In contrast, its circumference reaches roughly 40,000 kilometers. The planet's surface consists of 29.2% land, with a variety of ecosystems thriving across diverse climates. Earth orbits the Sun, taking approximately 365.25 days for a full revolution. This gravitational dance creates seasonal changes, influencing weather patterns across the globe. The tilt of Earth's axis, about 23.44 degrees, is responsible for these varied seasons. The planet also hosts one permanent natural satellite, the Moon. At 384,400 kilometers away, it stabilizes Earth's rotation and produces ocean tides. Together, they form a unique system, impacting life and environmental conditions on Earth. Life on our planet has evolved over billions of years. From the early microscopic organisms to the rich biodiversity we see today, life has made significant adaptations and changes. Humans, having evolved in Africa around 300,000 years ago, have now settled across all continents, profoundly impacting Earth's ecosystems and climate. Earth faces significant challenges today, largely due to human activities. Climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction threaten biodiversity and human survival. Acknowledging our impact is crucial for ensuring the future of our planet. In conclusion, Earth is not just our home, but a complex system of intricate balances. Understanding its structure, composition, and the life it nurtures can guide us toward a more sustainable future. Join us in cherishing and protecting this unique planet. Imagine standing at the edge of time, watching Earth's incredible history unfold. This is the essence of the geological clock, which reveals the vastness of geological time and key milestones in Earth's evolution. Let's delve into the geological history of our planet, beginning with the formation of Earth itself. Approximately 4.54 billion years ago, through processes of accretion, Earth took shape from a disk of gas and dust around the Sun. Early Earth was a molten mass, characterized by extreme volcanic activity and frequent collisions. As time progressed, the outer layer cooled, forming a solid crust while water gathered in the atmosphere. The Moon formed shortly thereafter, likely from a colossal impact with a planetoid. Through outgassing and volcanic actions, a primordial atmosphere emerged, which eventually gave rise to our oceans. The geological time scale helps us track major events throughout Earth's existence. The Precambrian, covering roughly 90% of geologic time, includes three eons: the Hadean, Archean, and Proterozoic. During the Hadean, the solar system formed, marking a period of intense volcanic upheaval. The Archean Eon witnessed the cooling of Earth's crust and the beginning of tectonic processes. As the planet evolved, continents shifted and recombined, forming supercontinents like Rodinia, Pannotia, and Pangaea. This reshaping of continents has dramatically influenced Earth's atmosphere and climate, leading to ice ages that started about 40 million years ago. Fast forward to the Phanerozoic Eon, which encompasses the last 539 million years. This era has seen the dramatic evolution of multicellular life, starting from simple organisms in the Cambrian period to complex ecosystems. The Phanerozoic is divided into three significant eras: Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. Throughout this time, continents continued to drift apart, creating diverse habitats. The extinction events have played a crucial role in shaping life's evolution, leading to the emergence of new species. The Cenozoic era, beginning 66 million years ago, is marked by further continental drift towards their current positions. Major geological events, such as the collision that formed the Himalayas, illustrate the dynamic nature of our planet. Lastly, the last glacial period, which ended around 10,000 years ago, brought significant changes to Earth's sea levels and landscapes. Ice melt caused a dramatic rise in sea levels, reshaping coastlines and ecosystems. In summary, Earth's history is a tale of transformation and resilience across billions of years. Understanding this geological timeline allows us insight into our planet's past and helps us navigate its future. Join us on this grand journey through geological time. Learn more, explore deeper, and cherish the remarkable story of our Earth. Imagine a future where Earth is unrecognizable, a barren desert, or perhaps a molten wasteland. In 5 to 7 billion years, our planet will undergo catastrophic changes as the Sun expands into a red giant. The transformations leading to this fate will unfold over billions of years, driven by complex interactions between planetary and stellar forces. Let's explore how Earth will change, focusing on key aspects that will shape its environment, biology, and geology. Over the next billion years, Earth is set to experience significant rises in solar luminosity. This will lead to increased temperatures and a moist greenhouse effect, initiating runaway evaporation of our oceans. Consequently, plate tectonics, crucial for maintaining a dynamic climate, may cease. Life as we know it will begin to falter. In about 600 million years, carbon dioxide levels will plummet below the threshold necessary for sustaining photosynthesis. Forests will fade away, triggering a mass extinction event with rippling effects through the food chain. Without plants, most animal life will vanish as well, leaving few surviving species. As solar radiation intensifies, the atmospheric pressure will decline, and oxygen levels will drop dramatically. Predictions indicate that by 1 billion years from now, there may be only 1% of current oxygen levels. This will spell doom for complex life forms. Natural events will exacerbate the crisis. The possibility of asteroid impacts or supernovae nearby can lead to catastrophes affecting all living organisms. The Holocene extinction event, triggered largely by human activity, underscores how drastically our species impacts the planet. In speculative scenarios, if humanity were to become extinct, Earth's ecosystems would begin to recover, albeit slowly. As the structures we built degrade over a millennium, nature would gradually reclaim its dominion. Yet, the long term is bleak. Approximately 2.8 billion years from now, even the hardiest prokaryotes may struggle in extreme heat and lack of water. As conditions evolve, remnants of human civilization may eventually wash away, lost to time. The process of continental drift adds another layer to these transformations. As structures erode and tectonic forces shape the land, new supercontinents may form over the next few hundred million years. Pangea Ultima, with all continents colliding, will disrupt climates. While Earth transforms, the Sun will continue to evolve. Eventually, it will consume its hydrogen, leading to a core contraction and expansion of its outer layers, spilling over into the inner solar system. Earth could be engulfed entirely. The final stages of Gaia will come in the form of a planetary nebula left over from the Sun, while Earth will likely be reduced to just a core, forever altered. Pondering over the fate of our beloved planet sparks profound questions about our existence and the future of life. What will we leave behind, and is there a way we can mitigate this destructive trajectory? As we draw our timeline to a close, remember that every action counts. It's vital we take steps towards sustainability, ensuring a better future for generations to come. Join us on this journey through time, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more enlightening content about our planet's future.
Welcome to our channel. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote any illegal activities, and all contents in this channel is for educational purposes only. Our channel based videos promoting for educational tutorials, famous quotes of the world, biological, historical, and geographical facts, genius stories, and biography. Please follow or subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.